Hello kids! Now we will learn about protecting marine ecosystem. As the largest ecosystem on Earth, the marine ecosystem provides most of the resources that people need. For example, corals in the open ocean zone serve as home to a large number of species of fish. Most of the fish that people eat reproduce and develop in the corals. Crabs, mussels, and clams found in the intertidal zone are also part of the human diet. Aside from food, people use the marine ecosystem as source of medicine. It is one of the main sources of materials for medicines for pain, cancer, and infection. An example is the medicine called ARAC or ARAC. It is taken from the extracts of sponge, a marine organism. ARAC or ARAC is used for cancer treatment to inhibit spread of cancer in the body. Along with these benefits, marine ecosystem provides other resources. Sand, stones, and rocks taken from the ocean are mainly used as construction materials. Mangroves provide wood suitable for making charcoals to be used for heating. It is important to protect and conserve these ecosystems so that the people and their future generations can continue to benefit from such ecosystems. Humans uses the marine ecosystem for food, medicine, and other resources. Unfortunately, the ecosystem is facing threats because of the pollutions caused by industrialization and other human activities. Pollution is the introduction of harmful substances into the environment. The marine ecosystem is polluted by chemicals coming from factories and households that spill their chemical waste into the bodies of water and waterways. When they are washed off by rain, the chemicals find their way into the marine ecosystem. These chemicals can be harmful to the organisms in the ecosystem. These chemicals, when ingested by animals, can alter the normal functions of their bodies. For example, in 2010, the University of Exeter in the United Kingdom found evidence that long-term exposure of fish to certain chemicals can reduce their ability to reproduce and lay eggs. Aside from pollution due to chemicals, trash can also affect the marine ecosystem. Trash, like plastic, when thrown into the water, can be eaten by marine inhabitants. Since plastic cannot be digested, it can cause abnormalities in the organism's stomach that can lead to the death of animal. Most victims of plastic ingestion are whales. There are reported cases of beached whales around the world. When the whale gets near a beach, it means it is about to die. Many beach whales were opened up for observation to know the cause of their death. The scientists found out that their stomachs were filled with undigested plastic bags. We should restore our marine ecosystem. Due to human activities, people tend to overuse or destroy resources. The marine ecosystem may be the biggest ecosystem, but resources here are not inexhaustible through time. When humans do not limit their use, it might run out of these resources. Humans share the planet with other living things. With this in mind, everyone has a role in keeping the balance among living and non-living things. There are many simple things that you can do to protect the marine ecosystem. You can start by sharing what you know about marine ecosystems to your family and friends. Your parents are the ones who buy items for the house. You can encourage them to lessen the use of chemicals such as those from cleaners. This will minimize the amount of chemicals that can be washed off into the marine ecosystems. You can instead use natural cleaners like vinegar, lemon, and calamansi to clean stains. Also, encourage your friends and other people to use reusable canvases or paper bags instead of plastics. Reducing plastic use also reduces the risk of having it thrown into the sea and be consumed by organisms. You can also try using biodegradable plastics or plastics that can decompose. These biodegradable plastics are also called safe plastics. Lastly, it is essential to give importance to what you learn in school, especially those related to saving the earth. In the future, you will grow up and be decision makers yourselves. Remembering everything you learned in school makes you more responsible citizen. Your decisions are not only geared toward self-gain but most importantly, how they can protect resources such as the marine ecosystems. That's all for today, kids. Bye!